Hello there, Samurai. It's DaVinci FX. Let's get straight into it. So now we marked out a setup here that I posted on my last video. So that was my previous point of interest on EURUSD. So now coming into the market, price has given us a new structure. And you know the way I trade based on structure and point of interest and session-based liquidity. So now marking out the new structural high and low. So now I don't know where the low is yet, based on market has not given me a valid pullback. So I need a valid pullback to be able to identify my structural low. So now we have our structural high already. We don't know our pinpointed structural low yet, but if we are looking to sell this pair, once the price gets into this unmitigated point of interest, which happens to be our order flow, before we can sell this pair. So now I'm just continue. We just mark out our zone and waiting precisely for price to tap into our zone before we can wait for a confirmation to sell this pair. But if you're an aggressive seller or an aggressive trader, you can place your sell to from there, then look to sell to the downside. And I'm a kind of person, I hate unrealistic TP, that's take profit levels. I like when my profit level, my take profit and my SL are above or below structural highs and low. So without that, I don't just place SL or TPs blindly. So now we marked out this zone since on Monday. On my previous post, check out my YouTube channel to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you can, anytime I drop a new video, you'll be able to get it. So now our point of interest is still valid. We marked this out since on Monday, and price has not even tapped into it before it starts selling. But at the same time, you don't want to be a predictor, you want to be a reactor. And you know, as we do in Samurai, in the Forex Samurai, we only react, we don't predict. We are working with whatever the market gives to us, that's what we work with. So now we had this analysis since last week. Since on Saturday we marked out this zone. So price has not yet still tapped the zone till today, Tuesday. So now we are still waiting precisely. So if price does not tap into your point of interest, you don't do anything. And what we want tomorrow is Asian accumulation close to our zone, then London sweeping the highs, tapping into our zone, then giving us a confirmation. So that is that for GJ. Now moving on to USDCAD, price was formerly bullish and we were looking to buy this pair, but all of a sudden price flipped bearish. We don't want to what? We don't force the market. We don't tell the market what to do. We don't trade based on sentiment. So we marked out a new point of interest to sell. But if price taps in that zone and we don't get a confirmation and it flips bullish, our analysis or what we are looking at, our course changes. So that is that for USDCAD. So for USDCHF, it was bullish since on Monday. Now we are looking to buy into our zone, but we got a confirmation, it got invalidated, and price is buying still to the high. But for now, I am not looking to do anything in this pair because price is already tapping into the zone and it is buying massively already. So I don't want to trade this pair for now. I move on to another pair, which happens to be the last pair on our list, which is XAUUSD. So now I checked out the pair because I did not have it in my watch list before. So now we marked out this zone since on Monday also. So now if you want high level probability setups, just make sure you hit the follow button, make sure you subscribe, make sure you tap on the notification button to get updated anytime I post a video. So now I have posted this analysis on gold. I know a lot of people trade gold. Gold is one of the most traded pairs. So I marked out this analysis since on Monday. And now price has tapped into the zone, not just today. Price tapped into the zone and it is buying already. So now for me, if I want to enter this market still, I'll wait for Asia accumulation. That all that needs to be done based on what session-based liquidity after price has tapped into your POI and it is reacting already. So there's a way I can scale in. So if you need any information on how to scale in into trades, let me hear you say scaling in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.